Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this Valentine's Smoky dramatic look. A look that I know most girls will wear for Valentine's Day instead of the pinks and the purples. So I really hope you guys enjoy this creation that I have done. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Glam Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And now I'm going to let you guys watch how I created this transformation because trust me, I don't look nothing like this without makeup. So let me show you how to do magic. See you guys. Hey guys, so who's ready to slay Valentine's Day? As you can see, I am kind of red and I look super dry. I am going to start off with this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and cucumber and green tea. It's filled with so many vitamins and minerals. I'm going to spray this all over my face. Next, I'm going to be applying this Ole Henrik Scent Sheer Moisturizer all over my face. Today for primer, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer because I don't know if you guys could tell, I have a little bit of texture on my face because I'm breaking out, and it's because I fell asleep with my makeup, which is a big no. And this is the results. You break out. And this is gonna smooth out my skin. It doesn't say it's a brightening primer, but I don't know if you guys could tell, it brightens up my face. And I love this. For foundation today, I'm going to be using this Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation, full coverage foundation, because I'm trying to cover all of this redness, these pimples, and I'm trying to look, applying that with a beauty blender. This does look lighter than my skin, but once it sets, it's going to match me. And I'm in this shade 310 Sun Beige. Girl, do you see the coverage on this? Yep. I'm all about this. Now, to highlight, I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. To set the concealer, I'm going to be using La Mer-Cier Translucent Powder. This is the best powder. I have not found one that I've liked. And I like applying it with my beauty blender. I mean, Real Technique sponge. I like to press it in under my eyes instead of baking. I find that this gives me a very nice, smooth, flawless under eye instead of baking. Baking just creases me really bad. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be going in with this CoverGirl Clean and Matte Setting Powder. I know I use this all the time, but I really love the way it looks on my skin and wears, and it keeps me looking really flawless throughout the day. And I can't seem to find a new setting powder, like the Maybelline Setting Loose Powder, the one you guys have suggested. I can't find it in the store. They're like always out, so it must be good. I can't get my hands on it. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to move on to the eyes, and when I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to go back to the face. Using the Dare to Create a Morphe Palette 39A, I'm going to go in with this shade right here for all over my crease. Picking up this Morphe M441 brush. I'm gonna work that into my crease, and as you guys know, I love to take the shadow out to elongate my eye, so that's what I'm going to do. Picking up this Sigma E40 Lucky Brush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is a very warm brown. And I'm going to focus that on my crease line a little bit more lower. I'm not going to bring it as high. Just to give the eye some dimension. It's such a beautiful color. You guys see that? Picking up a small fluffy pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with this black shadow. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown in the palette. And I'm going to focus this on my outer V on my lid only. Picking up a concealer flat brush, I'm going to go in with this shade right here in the palette. This shade is such a beautiful color. It's to die for. It's a very brown, golden, coppery shadow. There we go. And now for the bottom lash, you have two options. If you want to keep it not so smoky and dramatic, you can just smoke out your bottom lash with this shade right here. I am going to do that one plus the dark brown. Picking up a pencil brush, I'm going to go in with that very warm orange shadow, and I'm going to smoke out my whole bottom lash. This is what I'm saying you could do, and it will still look very beautiful, but it won't be as dramatic. So just smoke that all the way. So this is how it's going to look if you just apply that brown, that warm brown shadow at the bottom. Just smoke that out and put your mascara on. If you have long baby lashes, this will look beautiful just like that, but I have very thin small baby lashes, so I kind of like to add a little bit more to my bottom lash, so that's why I'm going to go in with that dark brown and just apply it at the outer of my eye. Just like that. You see, it just gives it that more smoky, dramatic look. Now for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. I am in love with this. Now for lashes, today I'm going to be using this Allure Vegas Nay Luxe collection in the style Bronze Beauty. They look like this. Very long, fluffy lashes. Let's see how they look. This is my first time using this style, so let's see how they look. Now that we have our lashes on, I'm gonna move on to eyebrows. I've been loving how this NYX gel looks, so I'm gonna be doing that real quickly. I'm gonna speed through this. There we go. Now that we're done with the brows and the lashes, we're gonna, we gotta snatch this face. So I'm gonna go in with this LA. I'm gonna go in with this LA color brush to snatch my cheeks, just because I find that it's way more faster and cleaner to do it. And I'm gonna go in with my, lost my voice. I'm gonna go in with this Fake Tan 02 Milani bronzer. Going in first with the dark shade, and I'm just gonna carve my cheek right here. We gotta hit around the face where the sun hits. Or double chin, because I know you guys see mine. Alright, now picking up this Sonia Kashuk brush, I'm going to go in with the lighter shade. And I'm going to bronze. At the same time, I'm going to blend that out. There we go. And now we have a cheekbone. Now to highlight, you already know I'm going to go in with my favorite highlighter. Girl, do you see this highlight? I didn't go all out. I kind of have a little glow going on, like a but I just love the way it looks. Now for lips. For lips, I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal lipstick in number 804. It's such a beautiful warm brown. There we go, you guys. Because I am a glossy girl, I am going to put gloss on top of this. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Vivid Hot Lacquer Gloss in the name Unreal. Years later, we're finally done. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this look I have created. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the comment section down below. Bye.